Okay, hello my dear few followers. This time I've received a Tamiya TGX Mk.1 with a body that might be HPI for their Super 10 RS4 platform. It looks like to be Dodge Viper of 1998. I dislike completely the bullet, how it was spent, as you can see here. I will try to use a glanzer or something else, but I'm seeking for any kind of good decals that can give a more realistic looks. Et voilà. So, as you can see, a traditional, without any option, TGX without engine. Taking the accelerator throttle link. She have high-tech AM with 26 MHz quartz and 2 high-tech servos. Let's have fun and cleaning using soap for every plastics with light pencil and special WD40 to remove grease on metal parts. And I will use steel wood for any rusted screws. See you later. Bye bye.